Hello, my name is Sean. Welcome to the training module about health and safety. We will be talking about changes Bill 148 has made regarding the Occupational Health and Safety Act. This will be a fairly short module due to only one change, so let's get right into it. First off, some background information. The issue of employers requiring workers to wear footwear with an elevated heel in the workplace has been raised by workers in a number of types of workplaces, such as restaurants, including taverns, bars, and nightclubs, retail establishments, offices, hotels, and motels. Workers who wear footwear with elevated heels show an increase in musculoskeletal injuries. What was changed? An amendment was made to the Occupational Health and Safety Act. Section 25.1 of the Occupational Health and Safety Act prevents employers from requiring a worker to wear footwear with an elevated heel, unless it is required for the worker to perform his or her work safely. This amendment became effective November 27, 2017. There is an exception for employers of workers who work as performers in the entertainment and advertising industry, since wearing footwear with an elevated heel may be a valid job requirement for some of these workers. This concludes our module on health and safety. For more information about the changes Bill 148 has made to the Occupational Health and Safety Act, please use these links. Thank you.